Folks, let's talk about money. Money touches every part of your life. It affects your peace of mind, impacts your family's well-being, and can help you reach your dreams. Or it can hold you back, stressed out. Understanding money isn't rocket science. You don't need a fancy degree for this. It's about learning some basic truths that can change your life for the better. This video is about 3 big ideas: interest, debt, and investing. Get these concepts right and you're on your way. You can build a strong financial house that can weather any storm. Let's learn how to make the right choices. So what in the world is interest? It's a simple idea really. Think of it like rent, but for money. If you borrow money, you pay rent on it. That rent is called interest. It's a cost. It makes borrowing expensive. The bank charges you this fee. It's their reward for letting you use their money. But interest has another side, a good side. You can earn interest too. When you save your money in a bank or invest wisely, interest works for you. It becomes your friend, helping your money grow. Let's look at credit cards. When you use a credit card and don't pay it all off, you get hit with interest charges, often very high rates. That 20% interest or even more adds up fast. Now let's flip that coin. Think about saving or investing in good growth stock mutual funds. Here, interest works for you. It's called compound interest. It's powerful, and it's your best friend in building wealth. Debt. That 4-letter word can cause so much trouble. It seems so normal in our world today, doesn't it? Everyone has a car payment or student loans or credit card bills. But folks, normal is often just plain broke. Normal is living paycheck to paycheck, stressed out. We need to change what we think of as normal. Being debt-free should be your new normal. That's where true financial peace begins. Now, not all debt is created equal, but I say using debt to buy liabilities. That's plain dumb. What's bad debt? It's when you borrow money for things that go down in value. Things that depreciate the moment you buy them. This is a surefire way to stay broke. You're paying interest on something that's worth less and less. Think about a brand new car, for example. You drive it off the car lot and bam! It loses a big chunk of its value instantly. Yet people take out big loans for these cars. They pay interest for 5, 6, even 7 years. On a liability that's shrinking in value every single day. Break free from the allure of financing depreciating junk. Debt is not just about the numbers on a statement. It's not just about interest rates and monthly payments. No. Debt carries a much heavier cost than that. It brings a mountain of stress into your life. It's that nagging worry in the back of your mind. It's the sleepless nights wondering how you'll pay the bills. It's the arguments with your spouse about money. This kind of stress is bad for your health, your relationships. Debt truly steals your peace of mind. When you're buried in debt, your choices shrink. You feel trapped, like you have no options. You might have to stay in a job you hate, just because you need that paycheck to service your debt. Debt becomes the boss of you, dictating your life. It limits your freedom to live life on your own terms. Picture your life with absolutely no payments, no car loan, no student loan, no credit card balances, no mortgage eventually. How would that feel? It would feel like a giant weight lifted off your shoulders. That feeling is called freedom, financial freedom. You deserve better than a life chained to payments. Alright, let's talk about the good stuff, investing. This is how you truly build wealth over the long haul. Investing is not gambling, let's get that straight off the bat. It's not about get-rich-quick schemes, those are scams. Real investing is about putting your money to work, letting your money make more money for you. It's a proven path to financial independence. It's how you can stop trading all your time for money and start having your money work hard for you. But this doesn't happen in days. This takes decades. So, what can you invest in? There are options. I'm a big fan of good growth stock mutual funds spread out across different types. This diversifies your money, which means spreading out risk. Some people like real estate if it's bought right with cash or paid off quickly. Retirement accounts like a 401k or a Roth IRA are fantastic tools. They offer tax advantages to help your money grow even faster. The key is to learn about these options and choose what's right for your long-term plan. The most important thing about investing? Start early. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month. That $50 or $100 a month can grow into a huge sum, thanks to the magic of compound growth over many years. Don't wait, start now, no matter how small. Patience and consistency are your keys to winning with investing. So there you have it, folks. We've talked about interest, debt, and investing. These aren't just boring financial terms, they are the very rules of the money game. Understand them, and you can play to win. Ignore them, and you're likely to lose. Your financial future depends on this knowledge. It's about taking control of your own destiny. You are the one in charge of your money. Knowledge is the first step, but it's not enough. You have to take action. You have to make changes. If you're in debt, you need a plan to get out, like the debt snowball method. Attack it. Hard. Once you're out, stay out. Live on less than you make. Save an emergency fund. The goal is simple. Make your money work for you, instead of you always working for money. Take these principles and apply them. Start today. Take control of your money, and you will win with your money. Like and subscribe for more money knowledge.